So dear students, let me continue our discussion on surface integration. Okay, and we have solved some problems in the last class. Now let me solve the next question on surface integration. And here the question is that we are given f is equal to y I cap plus x minus 2xz j cap minus xy k cap, and we have to evaluate curl of f dot n cap ds, where s is the surface of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square above the xy plane. So this is the surface of the sphere and which is situated above the xy plane, you can say. So we have to evaluate this curl f dot n cap ds. So first what we have to do, we have to evaluate curl of f first. Okay, so let me find out curl of f first. So what is curl of f actually? So if you want to find out curl of f, then we have the formula. We know the formula of curl. Okay, so it will be what? It will be just I cap, j cap, k cap, del x, del y, del z. Then we have to find out the coefficient of I, j and k. Okay, so what is the coefficient of I? So coefficient of I is nothing but y, coefficient of j is x minus 2xz, and coefficient of k is minus xy. So now we have to solve this determinant. Okay, so what is the solution of this determinant? So we have to first choose I cap. So it will be I cap into, so we have to ignore this column and this row, then it will be del y of this, and del y of this is minus x, and if you take del z of this, so it will be minus del z of this, so it will be minus plus, so it will be plus 2x. Similarly, we can find minus j cap, and if we ignore this and this, that will be del x of this, that will be minus y, and del z of y is 0. Okay, so similarly we can find out the j cap also. Okay, the j cap part also. So what will be the k, last part, the coefficient of k cap. Okay, so it will be k cap into, if you ignore this column and this row, so del x of this, that will be 1 minus 2z. Okay, and del x and del y of this is 1, so it will be minus 1. So it will be 2x minus x, that is x I cap plus y j cap minus 2z k cap. So this is our curl f. So first we need to find out curl f. Now we need n cap actually. Okay, so what is n cap? So for n cap, let me choose the surface. So the equation of surface is can be written like this, that is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to minus a square. Okay, so this is the phi. Now what is n cap? So you know n cap is nothing but grad phi divided by mod grad phi. So what is grad phi? Grad phi is 2x I cap plus 2y j cap plus 2z k cap divided by square root of 4x square plus 4y square plus 4z square. Okay, now if we take common 2, so it will be 2 into xi plus yj plus zk divided by, if you take common 4, so it will be outside, and that will be x square plus y square plus z square. So 2 will be cancelled out, and we will end up with xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, divided by, this will be root over x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square, so it will be a. So this will be your n cap. Okay, now we have to choose the region where we have to find the when we have to evaluate the integration, and here the region is obviously xy plane. The region is obviously xy plane. Okay, so we have to take the projection on xy plane. So if you take the projection on xy plane, okay, so what will be your n cap, or what will be your ds? So ds will be dx dy divided by mod n dot k. So we need n dot k also. So you will get n dot k is equal to, so this is n, and n dot k will be z by a. Okay, so it will be z by a. So it will be just ds will be a by z into dx dy. Okay, so now curl of f dot n cap. So we have to find out curl of f dot n cap. So this is curl of f. So we have curl of f dot n cap. Okay, dot n cap. So this is curl of f, and this is n cap. Okay, this is n cap. So here the coefficient will be x, the x by a, so it will be just x square by a plus yj and y by a, so it will be y square by a, and then it will be minus 2z square by a, minus 2z square by a. So you can write it like this, x square plus y square minus 2z square divided by a. So this is curl of f dot n cap, and this is ds, this is ds. Now we can write this surface integration curl of f dot n cap ds. Okay, so now we can write. So now let me write the integration. Okay, so what we have, curl of f dot n cap ds is equal to nothing but curl of f is this, so it will be x square plus y square minus 2z square divided by a. Okay, this is curl of f, and n cap is dot n cap. What is n cap? Curl of f dot n cap, sorry, this is curl of f dot n cap. Okay, now what is ds? So ds will be this, a by z into dx dy. So our integration is now on xy plane, on xy plane. So this is the integration. Okay, so now let me simplify this. Okay, now we don't need this. Okay, so you can round. So what we need now, we have to solve this integration just. So how you can solve? So it will be surface integration. The integration is now xy plane, so region is xy plane. So this a will be cancelled out, so it will be just x square plus y square minus 2z square divided by z into dx dy. Okay, now here is z, but we have to integrate on xy plane. So what we have to do? We have to just convert this z in terms of x and y. So we can do it from this equation. We have the equation of surface, that is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. So z square will be what? A square minus x square minus y square. Okay, so z square will be a square minus x square minus y square. So now let me put here. So it will be, and z will be obviously root over square root of this a square minus x square minus y square. So now if we put here, so you will get this surface integration xy, and it will be just x square plus y square minus 2 into z square means what? A square minus x square minus y square. Okay, and y square divided by square root of a square minus x square minus y square into dx dy, into dx dy. Okay, now if you solve further, you will get, so this will be equal to, this is x square plus y square, and this is 2x square plus 2y square, so that will be 3 into x square plus y square. So it will be 3 into x square plus y square minus 2a square. Okay, minus 2a square divided by under root a square minus x square minus y square, and this is dx dy. So this will be our integration on xy plane. Okay, so now you have to just do this integration. Now, so it will be better if you can convert this integration into polar coordinate. Okay, so if you want to convert it in polar coordinate, then what you can do? You can just take x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Okay, so you have to put that just x is equal to r cos theta. So you can put here as x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So you know from Jacobian, I have said earlier that in this case dx dy will be r into dr d theta. We have discussed this thing, okay, when we have discussed about multiple integration. So we can put this dx dy as r dr d theta, and we can put this x is r cos theta and y is r sin theta, so it will be r square. So it will be r square. So now the integration in polar coordinate, it will be 3r square minus 2a square divided by square root of a square minus r square. Okay, so now we have to modify this integration. Okay, we have to arrange this 3r square minus 2r square in terms of a square minus r square. Only then you can solve this integration. Okay, so this is more complicated form. So you can write it like this: surface integration. Okay, 3 into, you can write it here is minus 2a square. So you can write is 3 into r square minus a square plus a square. Okay, so it will be minus 3 square plus a square, that will be minus 2 square, divided by square root of a square minus r square into r dr d theta. Okay, now you can arrange, if you want to write it as a square minus r square, so you can write it like this, minus 3 into a square minus r square, okay, plus a square divided by root a square minus r square into r dr d theta, r dr d theta. Okay, now let me put it again in another form also, so now this is 1 and this is 1 by 2, so 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So and if you take this r as here, so it will be just integration minus 3r root over a square minus r square into dr for this part, and the next part is what, a square r divided by this. So the next part you can write, so you don't need this picture actually, and this picture is actually needed for just to finding out the limit. Okay, because we have the surface here and we have taken the projection here. So now this surface element has the position coordinate, if r comma theta, then here theta will vary from 0 to 2 pi and r will vary from 0 to a. Okay, 0 to a. Okay, so this picture only tell you that r will vary from 0 to a and theta will vary from 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so this will give you the limit of this integration only, otherwise you don't need this picture. So this is minus 3r root over a square minus r square into dr, okay, plus a square r. So let me wrap this. Okay, so it will be now a square r divided by root over a square minus r square into dr, and obviously d theta, dr d theta. So d theta is not dependent here, so you can separate it. Okay, so this is our integration for dr, and another one is theta, d theta. Okay, and d theta. So d theta, and r will be vary from 0 to a and theta will vary from 0 to 2 pi. So the integration of d theta is just 2 pi, because theta is vary from 0 to 2 pi and it does not depend on r. Okay, so it is now separated. So you can write instead of this d theta and this integration, theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi. So we can transfer this integration from here to here, 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so this d theta is just 2 pi, integration 0 to 2 pi, d theta is 2 pi. So we can write it like this, 2 pi integration is now this minus 3r root over a square minus r square dr from 0 to a, and another one integration, this is 1, and the second one is plus, you can write it like this, integration 0 to a square r dr divided by root a square minus r square. So you can write it like this. Okay, now what will be the integration of this? We can integrate it by taking a square minus r square as, so let me take a square minus r square as t square. Okay, so we have minus 2r dr is equal to 2t dt, so 2 will be cancelled out, so it will be minus r dr is equal to t dt. Okay, so minus r dr is equal to 2t dt. Now if we solve it, what we will get? So it will be 2 pi into, let me just solve this integration as an indefinite integration. Okay, and later on I will put the limit. So now if we treat this as indefinite integration, then what you will get for the first part? Let me actually solve this two integrations separately. Okay, then you can understand better. So it will be integration 0 to a minus 3r root over, so don't need this limit, root over a square minus r square dr. Okay, so this r dr, this minus r dr will be what? T dt. So this minus r and dr will be t dt. So it will be just 3, and instead of this it will be t, because root over a square minus r square is t, because this is t square, so it will be t and r dr, for r dr it will be t dt, and this minus sign and minus sign will be compensate, so it will be 3t into t dt, so it will be 3t square dt. Okay, it will be 3t square dt. So what will be the integration of this? So this integration of 3 into t cube by 3. Okay, and what is t? T is this a square minus r square, so it will be just t cube, and you can write it like a square minus r square to the power 3 by 2, because t is equal to root over a square minus r square. Okay, and the second part is this, so you can write for this integration a square, we can take it outside, so it will be r dr divided by root a square minus r square, and you can find this r dr means minus t dt. Okay, so it will be minus a square into integration t dt divided by root a square minus r square minus t, so t will be cancelled out, that will be minus a square t, so it will be minus a square, instead of t we can write it as minus a square r square. Okay, so the result of this part will be this, and the result of this part will be this. Okay, so now we can put directly, so what will be the integration of this part? So you can write it as now 2 pi into, for this part minus 3r root a square minus r square, for this part we can write is, so it will be a square minus r square to the power 3 by 2, and for this part we have minus a square, into root a square minus r square. Okay, and the limit will be from 0 to a now. Okay, so this will be our final result. Now if we put upper limit, then you can see this part and this part both will 0, because a square minus a square is 0 and a square minus a square is also 0. Now if you put a 0 instead of r, so you will have a square to the power 3 by 2, you will have a square to the power 3 by 2, and minus you have a square into a, that will be here a square to the power 3 by 2, so a square to the power 3 by 2 minus a square into a, so you will have a cube minus a cube, that will be 0. So either you put upper limit or lower limit, you will get 0 here, so it will be just 2 pi into 0, 2 pi into 0. Okay, so 2 pi into 0, so it will be 0, so the result of the integration will be 0. Okay, so this is how we can solve this problem. Okay, so this problem is actually very complicated, integration is complicated, but if you convert it in polar coordinate in r theta plane, if you actually are doing the integration on xy plane, so you can choose always the coordinate as r comma theta, so you can put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and dx dy is equal to r dr d theta, and if you solve this integration in this way by using polar coordinate, then it will be